Hello everyone, my name is Abby and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use the MiniPCR. So this is MiniPCR number 8 and I have it plugged in for power, and then I also have it plugged into the computer. And now I'll show you how to program the MiniPCR program on your computer to run your PCRs. Okay, so here is my program, and I'm going to add a PCR and name my protocol. And there are spots to change the temperature and time in seconds for denaturation, annealing, extension, and then the final extension. And then you can control the number of cycles here at the bottom. The only downfall with this program is, say you have to run your experiment at 2 different cycles of like denaturation temp and then a different denaturation temp, you would have to make 2 different PCRs. So I have marker 1 and marker 2 for that. And then this is what it looks like when you click for it to start, and mine is saying it's not plugged in, so I have to plug that in. And now it's saying that the lid is heating. And here it's going to show you the different cycles, the number of DNA copy, and then your specific parameters for your PCR. It's also going to show you the time it's been running and the time that you have left, which is important because it's not going to hold your samples at 4 degrees Celsius when it's done. And then it has sample temp and the lid temp shown here as well. Now that I have my PCR samples ready, I am going to open up the MiniPCR by pressing these 2 buttons in on the side and popping the top open, and that's where I'm going to be placing my samples. So I'm going to put my tubes in, and be careful not to touch this metal part, it gets hot, and then pressing that shut. And then I'm going to go and press run. And I'm going to start running my PCR. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. For more information, go to the yeastorfanproject.com, and this video was sponsored by the National Science Foundation. Thanks.